Welcome, I'm Dr. Emily, and thank you so much for joining our community. We're made up of people like you who are looking for a way to feel better and get healthy and stop that cycle of recurring symptoms. If you feel stuck or unwell, this can be a place of transformation for you. You're not alone. Over the course of the next few days, we're going to send you a few easy tips just to help you get started on your journey. Today, please enjoy the recipe included in this email that's one of my favorites for maintaining a healthy liver, lowering your inflammation, and also packs some good flavor too. And if you're looking to schedule an appointment to get that one-on-one individualized attention, all you have to do is click on the scheduling link in this email to get started. I look forward to hearing about your transformation soon.